Hey everyone. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on how these decals RS skins or stickers have been holding up for like I think almost 2 months now. So as you can see, the back of this has started to get scratched up. There's like a scratch right here. I don't know if it's showing in my camera, and a few scratches like right around here, and then it started bubbling up right here. And I could smooth it out, like I would wipe it up and it would smooth out. But then about like a few minutes later, that bubble or whatever, it starts to pop back up. And then this one, as you guys know, was not a very precise fit on a Decals RS sticker or skin, because it was just short, like right here, where you could see, the original classic blue color of the V60, and especially up top here, it was really short. So what I decided to do is, instead of ordering another one from Decals RS, I'm gonna make my own. I mean, it's probably gonna be a little bit cheaper to make my own. So these skins, these designer skins from Decals RS, they're like $5.95 each, and I had to order two, right? So you do the math. This Decals RS, or this vinyl carbon fiber wrap from Dia. It's a 3D high gloss carbon fiber wrap, black. This is a 12 inches by 60 inches, I think, and it comes with the free cutting knife and this like plastic squeegee or something like that to smooth out your skin, or the wrap. It's $9.99. So I'll be saving a few dollars, and I could try to make a more precise cutout. So what I want to do is, number one, I'm going to use one of these stickers as a template, but I'm not going to use the camera cutout because, as we know, it was kind of short. And actually, I will be using one of my cases as the cutout for the camera lens, at least for where it should be at, the proper camera lens. So I'm not gonna like take you guys step by step, going through everything, measuring and cutting and stuff like that, or drawing it out. So what you need for this, if you order a skin or a vinyl wrap and it doesn't come with this, so here's the whole kit included. This is the plastic like squeegee. Here's your knife for cutting and tracing out your skin or your outline. And then here's the carbon fiber skin. Only this first part right here is all like scratched up. What's up with that? Hopefully, though, I should have enough, even with this part right here, if I mess up. So what I'm going to do is just make cut out a section of this first, and then do my drawing or tracing. Okay, so right here I cut out a section, as you can see, and it's pretty easy, because if you've ever had any of these carbon fiber wraps, or any kind of wraps, vinyl wraps, they have these grids in the back, these drawings or these grids that you can make your cutout for. So see, now with this smaller section cut out, it's easier to like make my outline and draw something from this part right here, as you can see. And that's what I'm going to do. So as you guys can see, I have my outline drawn out right here. And now we're just going to cut it out. Okay, so what you guys can see right now is, see the tracing that I made from the case? When I put the this Decals RS skin on it, you can see it's quite a bit bigger than the Decals RS skin. But from what we know, or from what I know from installing this skin myself, I know that based off the camera cutout here, it was kind of, there weren't as much skin from the top here on the V60. As you can see, it's short right there. So I can afford to have that a little bit more. And then as you guys could see here on the bottom, there is enough skin here on the bottom. So I'm going to cut that precisely how that is. And then on the sides, I will make the sides just a little bit more than this so that I can have enough of the skin to cover the whole, sides of the V60. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've now cut out the outline that I want. I made the sides just a little bit more to make up for the short comings of this one right here on the Decals R Us, and also the ones from the top, as you can see. And I kind of messed this up right here. I accidentally cut into it, so this is not going to be usable. So I need to trace out 2 more of these outlines now, and then I can start installing them onto the phone and also onto the dual screen case, or any of my other cases if I wanted to start making more of these. Okay, so now as you guys can see, I got 2 cutouts, and I actually ended up using this one right here. Remember from the beginning, I thought it was all scratched up. This is just an outer plastic layer that you have to like take off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one for the dual screen case, and then this one for the LG V60 itself. Okay, so here is the carbon fiber skin fully installed onto my dual screen case. As you can see, there's more coverage now, but these are still left alone so that you can, still mess around with the hinge. I still have to blow dry it though and smooth it out. And smooth out the corners right here. It's going to need some blow drying so that they'll stick on more to the case. But now comes the big test. The one for the V60. And looking at the outline right now, it seems like it might be just a little bit bigger on the sides. I'm not sure. But yeah. I might have to do a little bit more trimming on the sides. Possibly not on the bottom. See, the bottom is almost the exact same as how it was on the previous skin. But I think there might be just a little bit more on the top. Actually looks pretty good once I get it installed, but the sides look like I might have a little bit too much on the sides once I install it, as you can probably see. And so once it's fully installed, I don't want to like start cutting into the carbon fiber. So it looks like I might have too much on one side. I think this side right here, my left hand side. So I'm going to trim that down a little bit. So here it is now, fully installed on the LG V60. The plastic is removed and there's the carbon fiber in it. I must say it's looking damn good. And it's got that 3D holographic look. The 3D carbon fiber actually even looks better than the ones here on these Poetic case or the Spigen case. Now the only thing I have to do is I'm going to go to the bathroom, smooth out these corners with the blow dryer, of course. And as you can see now, it's more, after trimming it down a little bit some, it is covering the whole side just short of where the buttons are. Same thing here on the bottom, as you can see. So you want to install it just like you would install any other skin for like your notes or your iPhones and everything like that. So watch the videos on dBrand. I wiped it down again with alcohol, and then my carbon fiber wipe, or I wiped it down with alcohol and then carbon with my carbon fiber to dry it out. Carbon fiber. I wiped it down with my microfiber cloth and some alcohol wipes that I had extra lying around from the gym, the antiseptic wipes that we use. And so, yeah, all I have to do now, like I said, is just get both of these. So here's the plastic layer that's on them. Get both of these and put some heat under them, and then we're gonna have to check too if it fits inside the dual screen case once all these you know, if I can still use the dual screen case with this after, you know, blow drying it down. I'm gonna say yes. It should, because it's not that much thicker, if any, than my previous skin. And so here is the previous skin right here. And see, now I have this as another cutout for later on in the future if I want to make some more. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and smooth these out, and then I'll let you guys see the final product. Okay, so here are the final product. Here's the case. Got the corner smoothed down up now, and I like it. I like how it looks. This is nice. I think it's much nicer than the Poetic or the Spigen, the carbon fiber. And here's my V60. I kind of messed up around the camera lens. I have too much here, and then not enough here. And then on the corners, I got them smoothed out, but I have just way too much on the corners, as you can see. On these top corners, I have way too much on the top corners. But you know what? I don't even care. I just loving this look. The bottom, just as on the previous case or sticker, the decals are us. It's good, as you can see. So not bad for my first time out making my own skin. And all it cost me was a little over $10. Now you guys might be saying to yourself, well, you also had the Decals R Us skin to compare as a guide. So what if I don't have a Decals R Us skin, you know, one of these skins to use as a template? My suggestion would be maybe I trace the back of the case right here, but if you don't want to, if you don't think that's going to be precise enough, then get the cheapest Decals R Us skin, which is the cheaper ones. Even the carbon fiber ones are like $3.95 plus a little, almost $4 for shipping and handling. So I mean, just spend a little more to get a cheaper skin like this. So plus with the price of this vinyl wrap right here with the knife and the this little plastic squeegee, that's what maybe $15 altogether. So you could do it that way, and you'll still have more than plenty. As you can see, here's my other Decals R Us skin. I put it right there. But yeah, I would say not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm going to go take you guys over to my laptop, and we're going to compare the carbon fiber on my Aero 15 OLED laptop that I had, that I put the carbon fiber skin on, that I ordered off eBay. Actually, I'm going to have to bring the Aero to you guys. So here it is. Here's my Aero laptop. And you can compare the carbon fiber patterns on them. As you can see, this one has that glossy look. Both of these. And then the Aero is somewhat glossy, but not quite, as you guys can see. So how about that? You know, there was one more thing we forgot to check, huh? We did not see if this V60 with this new skin now, or the wrap that I put on, will fit inside the dual screen case. So let's do it. And there you go. Oh, gotta power it on. So there you go. It does still work with the dual screen case. Okay. So that is it for this video. This is our look at these Dia 3D carbon fiber wrap and do-it-yourself LG V60 dual screen case and LG V60 phone skin. If you guys got value or have been informed and entertained, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.